How to install WordPress? Go to your cPanel, then click Software App Installer. You can also install WordPress from here, but we will install the WordPress from here. Click Install. Keep it HTTPS. From here, you will be able to see your domain list. Select your domain. Then add your username and password. Also, you can add your email here, but I will keep it the same. Keep save the admin and the password. Also the email on your notepad. Now uncheck these unnecessary plugins and click install. It will take a few moments, so we have to wait for it. Alright, our WordPress is installed successfully. After your domain name, write wp-admin, then open the URL. Now add here your username and password. Click login. Alright, here is the dashboard of our WordPress. From here you can manage your website, install plugin and other things.